Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth. If you just joined me, I do laundry motivation videos like this one. I do cleaning videos, I do home vlogs, like whatever I go through at home, I vlog it. So if you like this kind of content, please consider yourself subscribing to this channel because it's interesting. It's so nice in here. It's home related content. So today I was feeling so super. I was feeling nice. I like summer. It's not yet summer. I mean, we are heading out of winter, few weeks, and we are gone. We'll be heading into spring. So the day was hot. As you can see, I rocked my skirt, and it was for the first time ever since winter I am wearing a skirt. So I was feeling so nice. And yeah, the laundry was not much also. I enjoyed the day because it was hot. I like summer. Winter, I shiver, I shrink. That's just me, and my skin behaves badly towards winter. So it was an exciting day. So do enjoy this video, give it a like and share if you can, and a comment down below. I don't know what you're gonna comment about, but just give a comment. I welcome you into this video. Enjoy, guys. Normally when I record my laundry videos, I just take the shot where I'll be busy, but today I tried to take at least even the movements that I'll be doing, like vlogging everything that I'll be doing, even though it was not all of it, but I tried every angle in this video. So please do comment about it also, and if you like to see some more of the movements that I do when I'm doing laundry, drop a comment also. So I had 3 loads as usual, but it's not as usual. Okay, 3 loads for winter. Summer I have 2 loads. That's just it. Continue watching. Don't forget to watch the ad. I love you so much, and I am always using Sunlight washing powder, the lavender one. The Stay Soft, I use the lavender one also. Yeah, that's how the day went. As for load shedding, my app, I think my app didn't give me a wrong heads up. It was telling me 7 o'clock is going, but it wasn't going anyway. So I was hoping I will start early in the morning and finish around 9, but I started around 8, realizing that the ESCOM hasn't taken their electricity. But anyway, we move. I'm gonna rinse. I'm gonna rinse in this tub. I rinse once, and the reason why I'm rinsing once when I'm using the machine is that the machine can squeeze out, it can dry out the water, but when I use my hands, because I can't wring the clothes like that and squash out the water thoroughly, I rinse twice. The first rinse is to remove the washing powder, and the second one is to put it in a fabric softener. I don't know, but they said fabric softener neutralizes the soap in clothes. You can give it 1 rinse, but I do not trust it. So when I use hands, I use 2 rinses. lighting got the better of me. The window wasn't even doing justice to my room, so hence you see the other side is dark, the other side is a little bit brighter. And you see, when I try to adjust, because the machine is white, it flashes out the whole thing. So, and because I've closed the door, guys, there's a toddler, a 1-year-old, I think is 1 year 5 months now. He always like to follow me, especially when I'm in this room doing my laundry. He likes playing with water and I won't allow that, so I close the door for him not to disturb me. Forgive me for the lighting though. Guys, today I was just trying to be fancy. I don't know if it's fancy, but I tried to dish out so many angles when I was hanging the laundry, and people were even asking, "What are you doing?" I was just telling, "Hey, I'm getting few angles when I'm hanging this. I'm just tired of giving one angle throughout the hanging of laundry." So I tried my best, guys, even though editing this was just a lot. But I think when as time goes on and getting used to it's even it's nice, it's beautiful, it feels so good. But changing the camera now and then takes time and chows my time to rest, guys. Now when I do something, I want to do it and finish and get away with it, rest from it. So, but guys, this is where I was getting fancy a lot. I tried to change angles as much as I could. Comment down below. We are coming to the end of the video, and if you enjoyed this one and you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Share the video if you can. I love you so much, and please do engage with other videos. If you are new, my name is Elizabeth. I do cleaning motivation videos, laundry videos, homemaking content, anything about home, you will find it here. So guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy the rest, and please don't forget to watch the ads. Bye guys.